Hey guys, welcome back to a new series. We're going to be unboxing Pokemon cards. And let me tell you, I've looked at this and I'm so happy that I ordered this off eBay. It was £3 something. I think it was £2.99. So, wait there. Let me see. Okay, so I'm going to give you a hint of what these Pokemon cards are. Comment that down below before I tell you. Just 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And if I have any doubles of these cards. Oh.
Luca!
Okay. So.
Luca!
Yeah?
Oh! For my first one.
What?
I got Lucario. Ready? These are all Mega EXs, so it's going to be hard, but I have this Coke ball right here, just so if I get any doubles, I will like literally there. My Luca. So, I have this card, this card. I don't know any of these names, so I'm just going to this. Let's just show you. And if I've been looking for any, wait there, have I been looking for any? God, I'm looking for something. So wait there. I'm just going to reshuffle them. So, now I'm going to get all of them. Okay, so I got this card. Wait there, I've been looking for this card for so long. I'm going to put this at the back. Not that one, right there. Oh, it's a Mega Trash. I can look. Some seeds I might freak out about. I'm looking for that one. You know there'll be a lot of double, like that. Yeah, totally. Like that. I've been looking. Yes!
What?
I finally got it, guys.
What, Riley?
I got a really rare Pokemon card. Let me see. I've been searching forever for this card.
Avatar.
Nope, I haven't. What? Okay, so we're definitely going to put this card at the back.
And I'm not.
No, I have this card. Die, 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 die. But don't rip it. I'll just put it at the back.
Why?
And
I don't.
here are all the rest of the Pokemon cards. So
There was.
we're going to have a recap like no other. Yeah, I'm just looking at all the ones. Yeah, mostly all these I've been looking for. No, don't you dare on that lid and shut properly. Can I shut it properly at least? No, don't you dare.
I got a big bottle of Coke.
I'm joking. I'll pick out the ones that I really been hungry for and put them over here. Because I just put them all over here. Just so it's out of our way now.
I want it for you. I want it. I know how much time I said. Is it top apple?
So let me get these all like the right way around. Guys, you know this was supposed to be a very short vid. That's down video,
I
guys.
thought it will fit a bit.
Okay, so we have this one. This one. Mega Electrod. Mega Electrod.
Die.
Connor, get off the wall, get out!
No, my root
Right, that's not a very good example of shouting in front of the camera.
So what?
You'll get a-
Hello, welcome. Why not?
Why were these colours shiny?
The Mega Electrod.
How much was this?
All of them, they're 20, like £2.99.
For EXs?
Mega EX. It said MEX. Oh,
This
you're
one doesn't.
not supervised.
I always sit there.
Better not get any on this.
I will not.
Yeah.
I will not.
Peace out, guys.